Let's talk about BAT, which is essentially a cat clone but with one huge improvement, that is syntax highlighting. If you are someone who often views code in the terminal, you will love how BAT makes your code more readable by adding color and formatting. Let me show you how it works. So I will just simply type BAT over here first, but it is not found, so no problem, we will install it using do command. It will take a couple of seconds to get it installed. Let's wait for that. So as it is installed, now the standard way you would view a file in a terminal using cat would be, I would type cat and then followed by the file name like this and press enter. As you can see, the cat simply dumps the file contents into terminal with no distinction between the keywords, variables or syntax. Everything is just a plain text. With cat, it can be hard to read, especially with the programming languages where distinguishing keywords and syntax can make a big difference. Now let's try the same thing with the BAT. Instead of the cat, just simply type BAT followed by the file name and hit enter. Now see this color coding isn't just for JavaScript. It supports a wide variety of programming languages including Python, Java, C++ and more. It detects the language and applies the appropriate syntax highlighting. It makes it much easier to distinguish between the strings, variables, functions and other syntax elements. But it is not just about the syntax highlighting. It also includes some really useful features like displaying the line numbers and previewing the file before you open it completely. So for example, to view the line numbers, you can just simply type BAT followed by -n like this. Here we just have the line numbers, and with that it makes navigating large files much easier. Now there's another thing that you can do. If you only want to preview a file without opening it fully, you can use the -p flag that will show you a preview of the file contents without scrolling all the way down. Now let's try that as well. It will be helpful when you want to inspect a file but you don't want to see everything in it. Now let me try if this works. Now I will use this file as an example. So this is the file. Now if I use -p over here, see, I can just simply navigate through this without opening it fully. Now another great feature of this is you can handle multiple files at once. So for example, you want to view both. So for that I will do is example.js and then followed by this file. So this is example.js and the other one is the streamdemo.java. Both are of different languages. Different syntax highlighting is present for both of them and it will be working great. So as you can see, it handles multiple files seamlessly and even shows a header for each one, so you know which file you are looking at. The another one will be when you are working with larger files, it integrates with the pager like less for easy scrolling that we have already seen for the stream.demo.java. So I won't go into detail for that, but you can use slash or any other thing to search for a specific term within the file. One last thing to note is that BAT is highly customizable. If you want to adjust the colors, line number, style or any other settings, you can configure it through the BAT configuration file. To see all the options, type BAT -help, for example like this. And it will show a list of commands and flags that you can use to customize your BAT experience.